Smartness is the key to success in this century, and everybody wants to be smart. If you want to be smart, if you're already smart, here are some tools and strategies to figure it out or enhance your smartness. Without further ado, let's dive in. Tip number 1, read widely. All the successful people read a lot. So if you want to be successful, if you want to be smarter like them, you need to study. You need to read widely. You need to engage in regular reading across various genres, including non-fiction, literature, and news articles. This habit expands your knowledge, improves vocabulary, and enhances critical thinking. Tip number 2, continuous learning. You need to learn continuously. In this century, you have no excuse because you have so many online availability. There are so many tools online. They are free. They're accessible from anywhere in the world. So you have no excuse in not learning or not continuous learning. So cultivate a mindset of lifelong learning. Dedicate some time each day to learn something new, whether through books, online courses, podcasts, or educational videos. Stay curious and open-minded. Tip number 3, stay informed. Keep up with the current events and developments in the field that interest you. You don't need to know everything. Whatever interests you, learn that. Regularly read news and flexible sources, follow relevant blogs, and engage in discussions. Being well informed fosters critical thinking and helps you make better decisions. But try to read from the authentic sources, like such as CNN, BBC, Deutsche Welle, or any other renowned websites. Don't read from somebody who's writing on Facebook and they are not a legit person. So don't believe everything whatever is available online. You need to understand what is the difference between white, black, and gray. Use your thinking, use your tools, use your smartness to identify those. Tip number 4, develop critical thinking skills. Question assumptions, analyze information, and evaluate evidence. Seek out diverse perspectives and challenge your own beliefs. Develop critical thinking skills enables you to make informed judgment and think more rationally. Tip number 5, practice problem solving. Engage in activities that require problem solving, such as puzzles, crosswords, riddles, or brain training games. These exercises stimulate your mind, improve analytical thinking, and enhance cognitive flexibility. Tip number 6, maintain a healthy lifestyle. Physical health is closely linked to cognitive function. Regular exercise, sufficient sleep, and a balanced diet are essential for optimal brain performance. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, while sleep and proper nutrition support memory and cognitive abilities. So, maintain a healthy lifestyle. Tip number 7, cultivate curiosity. Be the curious cat. Cats are curious and they need to be in every boxes, every corner of the house, and because they are very curious. So, develop a genuine interest to the world around you. Ask questions, explore new topics, and seek deeper understanding. Curiosity drives intellectual growth and encourages the thirst for knowledge. So be the curious cat. Tip number 8, reflect and review. Take time to reflect on your experience and learning regularly. Review what you have learned. Consider new information and connect with existing knowledge. This helps to solidify learning and make new connections. Tip number 9, embrace challenges. Step out of your comfort zone and take new challenges that push your intellectual boundaries. Engage in complex tasks and learn new skills, foster cognitive growth and adaptability. And when you embrace your challenges, you actually grow. So embrace challenges. Tip number 10, practice mindfulness. Cultivate mindfulness and focus on the present moment. Regular meditation or mindfulness exercise can improve attention span, reduce stress, and enhance cognitive abilities. Remember, consistent effort and dedication to these habits will contribute to your intellectual growth and make you smarter over time, because it's a lifelong journey. It cannot be done in one day. Every single successful person has practiced these strategies throughout their life. So you need to be consistent and regular about these practices. So thank you for watching our video. See you soon.